The International Ecotourism Travel Mart is the first green travel mart and selling fair in the world presented by the Asian Ecotourism Network. AEN is a regional initiative of the Global Ecotourism Network organized by International School of Sustainable Tourism in the Philippines.
Welcome to Asian Ecotourism Network, AEN. The International Ecotourism Travel Mart, IETM, is the very first green travel mart and selling fair in the world presented by AEN, a regional initiative of the Global Ecotourism Network. Okini.
Mabuhay! This is a beautiful greeting by Filipinos to visitors and fellow countrymen alike. It wishes you good life filled with happiness and joy. And this is what you can expect when you join the 2022 International Ecotourism Travel Mart. The IETM 2022 brings two major historical events. First, it is the first Green Travel Mart, and it is also the 20th anniversary of the United Nations Declaration of International Year of Ecotourism. Here, the world of ecotourism converges from February 11 to 15, 2022 in Silang, Cavite. Ecotourism experts will come to share their best practices. Buyers and sellers of ecotourism products and packages will have the appropriate space to network and find the best fit for their clients. And more so, entice them with their amazing ecotourism destinations. Educators, policymakers, influencers, and advocates will also be able to advance their ideas to push ecotourism to its rightful place. We enjoin everyone to check out your IETM website every so often for updates. So again, we say mabuhay. Come to the Philippines for the International Ecotourism Travel Mart 2022. Thank you. Salamat po.
Our mission in AEN is to connect all the stakeholders together for knowledge transfer, consulting, business, development, and marketing so that we can all achieve sustainability. Thank you. Terima kasih.
We are committed to provide more hands-on connection and relevant opportunity for working together at a regional scale. Terima kasih.
The IETM is an annual event especially designed to bring together delegates and exhibitors to showcase products and services that have a strong ecotourism component, green technology, and sustainable green practices. 多謝。
The spotlight of the event is on ecotourism, an important concept for a region rich in diverse natural and cultural resources. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Supi from Thailand. The themes is embracing authentic ecotourism, which is in line with our sustainability goals.
Ayubowan to all of you, the traditional Sri Lankan greeting from sunny Sri Lanka. One, experience nature and culture in all its diversity. Boma Stuti, thank you.
2. Ensure the protection and preservation of environment and culture.
I'm Hiran Kure. This is to create awareness, appreciation and care for our destinations.
4. Create calm for the local community. Thank you. 谢谢.
We bring you this first unique 3 days event in Cavite, Philippines, one of the leading ecotourism destinations in the world, in the partnership with the International Schools of Sustainable Tourism, ISST. Thank you. Terima kasih.
Hi, I'm Jennifer. We support UNWTO's tourism and sustainable development goal to build knowledge, empower, and inspire tourism stakeholders to take necessary action to accelerate the shift towards a more sustainable tourism sector by aligning policy, business operations, and investment with the SDGs. Terima kasih.
AEN, in collaboration with ISST, has identified 7 goals for the International Ecotourism Travel Mart. Terima kasih, Siasiani, Nandri, thank you.
Share best practice on ecotourism with international experts in the field. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Mira Shamwong Masa. I'm from Tiara, or Thai Ecotourism and Adventure Travel Association. Well, nowadays, ecotourism in Thailand is getting more and more popular since people are already aware the role of ecotourism, that it really plays significant role to drive towards sustainability. I would like to welcome or suggest everyone to join and be a part of it, since you learn so many best practices from the real expert in ecotourism from everywhere in this world. So don't miss, it's very important. See you then. Bye.
In the Philippines, create network and partnership for ecotourism stakeholders on regional and global level. ขอบใจ
4. Promote country's potential sites, indigenous practices, and culture. Daghang salamat.
5. Create dynamism and excitement about ecotourism through eco-film, demonstrations, and artistic performances. Thank you. 谢谢.
6. Promote the adoption of measures to mitigate and adapt to the challenges of climate change, including climate-related risk management. ありがとう.
7. Promote long-term political will for authentic ecotourism programs to help achieve sustainable development goals. ขอบคุณ
Not to forget that today is the 27th of September. It is a World Tourism Day. AEN is celebrating this very day to make a statement. 谢谢. Thank you.
Along with UNWTO's team, we are celebrating the unique role that tourism, in particular ecotourism, plays in providing opportunities to rural areas and preserving cultural and natural heritage all around the world. Garinche.
This year, International Day of Observation comes at a critical moment, as many countries around the world look to tourism to drive recovery, including our rural community, where tourism is a leading employer and economic pillar. ขอบใจ.
As the UN Secretary General Antonio Guterres said, for rural communities, indigenous peoples, and many other historically marginalized populations, tourism has been a vehicle for integration, empowerment, and generating income. 감사합니다.
Ecotourism in Asia empowers rural communities and providing job and opportunities, most notably for women and youngsters. Thank you very much. Masih Bayrillah.
In many rural areas around the world, ecotourism is a leading contributor to the revitalisation of local communities. It provides opportunities for jobs and health services. It's also supporting education and knowledge while protecting our natural assets, assets that we must pass on in good condition to our future generations.
We, the ecotourism industry and community, also struggle with the impacts of the COVID-19 pandemic. We need to unite to be better prepared and deal with the short and long-term impacts of the crisis in a new normal tourism. Maraming salamat.
AEN, together with us from 17 different countries from Asia Pacific, will endeavor to become the source of knowledge in the regional ecotourism and recognize the importance of practicing the authentic ecotourism.
And don't forget to meet us in person or online. AEN is organizing ecotourism forums and workshops following IETM to offer you practical insights and effective steps to improve your sustainability knowledge and practice. Dhanyawad.
AEN is proud to present over 400 years of combined experiences from speakers and panelists from the Asia-Pacific region, bringing you sustainability knowledge, best practices and lessons. Please register at www.ecotourismtravelmart.com. Touch delay.